Full spin. As you can see, she looks gorgeous.
Good morning guys! Welcome back sa channel natin. Today is Friday. At kung nakikita nyo, si mami nyo ay naka-aura because, oh my god, we are going to our very first high tea. So, dapat, kasi first natin, diba? So, dapat ano talaga tayo guys, naka-aura tayo. So, ang ating hair ay pinakulot-kulot. And then, I'll show you my dress, which I haven't worn for so long. I think last time na sinuot ko to was nung si Paris pa ang anak ko. So, I'm so happy it still fits, guys. Tingnan nyo. Yung details sa likuran is super nice. Tingnan nyo. Tapos, ganyan siya sa baba. Ganyan siya sa baba. Super nice, guys. Very garden ang ating peg today. Even though it's a bit cool now kasi magwi-winter na. Autumn na ngayon. But, we are indoors naman, so it's okay to wear something like this. But yeah, I was planning to put my hair up, but sabi ni Daddy Mike, mas maganda daw kasing ipakita yung length ng aking buhok. Ayan. Kasi gusto kong tingnan nyo ang aking earrings from Lovisa. Ang aking binili na $22 lang yan, guys. Hindi yan totoong gold. Hindi kasi ako sanay na magsuot ng ganito kalaki ng mga earrings, guys. Normally sa akin yung studs lang. But, this time, kasi special event, diba? Thank you, Daddy. Ayan. But before tayo pupunta doon, ay idadrop muna natin si Baby Celine. Come here, Daddy. Do I look beautiful?
You look absolutely gorgeous.
My lipstick. Is it still there?
Yes. Do you know where it should be?
Huh?
Do you know where it should be?
Yeah. Ayan ang aking lipstick. But yeah, I really love my outfit, guys. Ngayon lang to nakalabas ng baon talaga. Alam niyo naman si mami niyo, wala nang masyadong ganap. So, ganitong mga events lang. Tsaka ko na nailalabas yung mga, yung mga damit natin sa baol. And I'm super happy. Si Daddy Mike, pinaano ko dito. Kagabi, pinapili ko si Daddy Mike. I had few options. And ito yung pinili ni Daddy Mike. Why did you choose this one amongst the others, Daddy?
Huh?
Why did you choose this one?
Because I thought it was the most appropriate for where you're going to.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because, full spin. As you can see, she looks gorgeous.
And, ang aking bag ay ikay. Ang aking high heels ay nasa car, guys. So, tsaka ko na isusuot pag nandun na ako. Here's my bag! O, diba? Bongga to kayang aura today. Hindi
Okay.
pinagandaan ni mami nyo itong aurahan today, guys. Hindi halata. It's super nice. Dapat picture talaga tayo today para may remembrance tayo. Super nice. I think like it goes well with my dress as well. Anyways, let's go, Lini!
Alini!
Can I say good morning here?
Wonderbar.
Good morning. Nakabihis na rin yan siya.
Pasti.
It's Friday today, so where is Lini going?
Go.
Hello, sleepy.
Daddy's twin.
Sleepy.
Daddy's twin, babe.
Hey,
Show your face, babe. Do you have the same face as Daddy?
I'm going
Do
there.
you have the same face as Daddy?
Show your face on the camera next to Daddy's.
Show your teeth, Daddy.
Hey, am I?
I love you like I do.
Good girl.
A few moments later.
Good girl. Bring your water. Have a look at Baby Celine's outfit, babe. Show me your outfit, babe. Wow. Oh! Uy! Uy! Napaka-cute, uy. Napaka-cute ng baby. Oh, come on, let's go. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. I love you. You're a good girl, Bobby.
I love you.
I love you.
Happy.
Are you happy?
Dad. I'm good. Good.
Good, good.
Mommy,
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Screen 44, Laura.
Yeah. The worst thing you can say to a teenager is you're so much like me. That's a wrong move. But the differentiation, the separate needs start to really get highlighted, and sometimes that's the time in their life where we need to actually get a little bit more assertive about, no, I am, there's me coming into our relationship. This is not all about you. Actually, I need to be a person in my own right in this relationship, and I need to make sure there's an exchange of resources here. I need to make sure the whole world doesn't revolve around you, and I'll tell you why, parents, let me sell it to you. When our resources revolve around our kids, and they so easily do, and our kids are like, I want this, and I want this, and my friends have got this, and take me here, and we're saying yes to avoid the arguments everywhere. The problem is they go to the workforce, and they get a boss. And guess what their boss's world orbits around? It's not your child. It's their profit margins.
Here's the view of Brisbane. Ito yung school, guys. Doon ako nagpark. Sobrang layo. My God. Photo. Quick photo. Look at her. I'm so sorry. Do it again. Yay!
Hi!
Yeah.
To the Mother's Day high tea.
Yeah,
This
so
is my friend
beautiful.
Sarah.
Hi, beautiful
And this is my
Sarah.
other gorgeous friend.
You. Oh yes, of course. Who else would it be? Oh my goodness, where did you park?
Do you want me to drive you?
Yeah, well, I wanna spend more time with you.
Sure, why not?
You know, like I already drove here before, but then I turn around. It's like, oh, I'm in the wrong place.
So I used to teach RI in this school. That's why I know where it is.
Ah,
and the ins and outs.
Yeah, that's why I was lost before, guys. I've never been to this school. So Rose is going to drop me sa Carquez because it was a long walk. So Rose is my Uber driver for today. Are you my Uber driver for today?
Where
Oh, it's good to be passenger for a change.
Yes.
Thank
Wait,
you.
you walked all the way.
Yes, I did. Can you imagine?
Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Well done.
Thank you. We'll see you. Oh, happy Mother's Day, and we'll see you on your
Mother's
birthday.
Day. Yes.
Yeah. Enjoy your night. Nice meeting you, Sarah. Sarah.
Hi, lovely.
Sarah, yeah?
Sarah.
Yeah.
Yes.
I got it right, man.
K-drama.
Tapos lang ng ating high tea, guys. And I am now heading home kasi magla-lunch kami ni Daddy Mike. Date din pag may time. Wala kasi siyang work today. And we still have time. So currently 12:48 ng hapon. So we still have time before natin pick up si Ate Paris sa school. But yeah, the high tea, my very first high tea was really good, guys. I'll definitely be doing it again. That high tea was actually for charity. So like $45 for the ticket, and it goes to charity. And the guest speaker, she's amazing. Like, you know, I learned so much from her. You know, like words of wisdom, being a parent, being a mom, being in a relationship. Your relationship to your children has to be like give and take, not just give. Lots of people there, right? And she asked like, first thing that comes to your mind. Others said multitasker, unconditional love, carer, and I said sacrifice. The speaker said like, oh, did I hear someone say sacrifice? And they like pointed at me, and she said 100%. Sacrifice the mother does for the family, for the children is amazing. Overall, it was a great morning, guys. I loved it. I enjoyed the company. I enjoyed Rose. I always enjoy my time with Rose. We just laugh, always make jokes. I'm so happy kasi nag-gets niya yung ano ko yung humor ko, which is really really good. And it's starting to rain. How crazy is that? Lapit na ako sa bahay, guys.
A few moments later.
Maglagay muna tayo nito, guys. This is for the,
Tits.
how do you call this one, no?
Breasts.
Breast pump. To keep your dress in place. Para hindi hindi ka magwadwad. Hindi ka magwalwal, guys. It's really good kasi it sticks to your skin. Binili ko to kahapon from Priceline. By the way, it's Daddy Mike holding the camera now. He's my tripod. You're my tripod. There you go. Ito Hollywood fashion type. Yeah, this is from Priceline. Sobrang dami niyang laman naman. It's $22. I'm not gonna use it like, daily. Occasionally lang kung may mga ganitong dress, especially super like revealing. Wala namang cleavage. Okay, Daddy, let's go. Nandito na kami sa Korean restaurant. Is this the one? Yeah. Maru. So we're just waiting to be served. Dito kami sa labas kasi maganda yung lighting. Tsaka walang music, hindi ma-copyright. Ayan, dito na. So have a look at the menu and place your order through the card. Oh, great. Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks for that. Where to see that? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Already. Beef rib soup. That's what I always order.
What do I always get?
I already know it.
Spicy rib. Beef
Actually,
rib?
the spicy rib is really nice.
Yeah, no. Spicy or pork kimchi. So, spicy beef soup I think I get.
I'll just get the
Beef rib soup.
pagatas. Pagatas. I've got watermelon.
Watermelon, mint, and apple.
That's why like it tastes like a little bit different. I thought it's pure watermelon. It's refreshing.
I like mint and juice. So do you? And you like mint and juice, I think, because you like the cucumber mint as well.
Yeah. Our food is here, guys. Ayan, our lauya, different soup. And this rice, hindi puti yung rice na dito. Kimchi, pickled onion maybe, and some, I don't know what that is. Yeah, that is. Yum, I can't wait. Let's eat.
What type of rice is that, Babu?
Black rice.
Is that not good?
I like my white rice. So young, I have to try. Don't use this coleslaw yet.
I don't know why we got that rice.
Okay. This is the only rice I have.
Is it? Not like that of the other place. I said it's not like that of the other Maru.
A few moments later.
Ate Paris is here now, guys. Tingnan nyo, binigyan sila ni Dylan. Sobrang bait talaga ni Dylan. No? She's very thoughtful ba? She always give presents. And then another necklace for Ate Paris. How's your dad? Yes? Your bag is open, anak. What happened to your voice?
I know.
Huh?
I know.
Tingnan niyo si Louie, oh. labas na talaga siya. Ayan na nang maghintay. We're going. You wanna say hi here first? Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. We are going to... Where are we going, Ate? We're picking up Celine from childcare and maglalakad kami. Alam niyo ba, it's only like 5 something in the afternoon, so we're very far outside. Come on! La. Very excited siya nakalabas. Don't run, anak. Yes, he follows you. Wee.
So you Come on. That's funny.
Yeah, Daddy can hold you. Autumn na kasi siya, guys, kaya
Hey guys.
maaga na siyang dumidilim.
Hi guys. I remember I unboxed my necklace.
Wala, hindi ko pa natanggal ang aking earrings, guys. Ayan, hala. Sobrang laki pa ng aking earrings. Hindi naman siya malaki. Actually, pwede naman to siyang pang araw-araw, but hindi talaga ako mahilig sa ganito, guys. Especially kasi yung aking hole dito sa tenga ko, guys, it's very low. Like, dito talaga. So, kapag mabigat yung earrings, nahihila siya pababa. Pangit siya tingnan. Ayan, oh. Kasi alam niyo ba, yung aking yung butas sa tenga ko, ako lang yung nagbutas nito nung kabataan ko. Nung nasa Pinas pa ako, guys. Kasi wala naman tayong pangbayad sa ganyan-ganyan, di ba? So, ako lang yung ng karayom. Kaya hindi siya pantay. Dito sa kabila din, hindi. And yun na talaga yung ginamit ko hanggang sa tumanda na ako hanggang sa ngayon. Thank you, baby!
Can I read it?
Stop it! Buang Miss Louie. Manggamba. Oh, stay here, baby. Daddy, I got something from Lainey. Look, present for... Oh, Louie. I made some Mother's Day flowers with my fingers and my thumb, so you will always have these memories for the years to come. I love you, Mom. And look at Lainey. Yeah, look what's inside. And happy Mother's Day. Love, Celine. It's so cute. Okay, let's go. Stop it, Louie. We go around up. The way. Look at these two playing. Ito yung binigay ni Dylan kanina. Ayan, oh. 3D glitter sand art kit. Tapos kay Ate Paris naman, itong pom-pom keychain kit. Ayan, oh. But it's DIY. Tingnan nyo. Oh, sure na. Sure na ang Miss Annie. That's glue. Oh, good luck. Oh, to ara. Ambot niya mga anak eh. Celine.
Just gonna make
Celine. Hey, say thank you, Dylan.
Thank you, Dylan.
Just very kind of her. She's very nice, guys. She always like gives Celine and Paris something.
Lynn, why did you go?
Open muna natin itong binigay ni Celine sa akin for Mother's Day. What did you say?
I got found some present for you too.
Valentine's?
This day.
Okay. Thank you, Ate. May regalo din daw siya sa akin, pero sana nala sa Mother's Day nila niya ibibigay. Yeah. Nak, can I open this one now?
Yeah?
Yeah? Thank you.
Not mine. Special. Mine is more special. Yeah, that's mine. Mommy!
Oh, what's... Oh, that's cute. Look at this. Tingnan niyo. Did you draw on it?
Yeah?
Yeah! Look at this little vase. Ah, tingnan niyo. Ang mga kuris-kuris ni Inday Celine.
Two more glitters.
Ayan. Aww. This is so sweet, Baba. Thank you. Thank you,
I make
Mama.
a slide.
Mama, kiss.
I make a slide.
Thank you. Thank you for this. Hey.
Hey.
Thank you for this.
Thank you. You're welcome, Mom.
I don't know. I love you so
Mommy,
much.
you can say I'm gonna eat some burger, and I got salad in my cup. I love salad, so I'll show you that I can eat salad. So I'm gonna show how I eat the burger.
Good girl.
Wow.
Patty, hold the burger at the back. So, like that, so the stuff doesn't fall out the back. Well done.
Good girl. How about you? We're having KFC for tonight. Lumabas si Daddy Mike. Ayan, Bumili siya nito. Chicken burgers. Chips. Kasi diba, normally Friday is pizza night, but
No, too many people.
yeah, not tonight.
Too many people at Domino's tonight.
Okay.
Because we're going to Buck's house.
Huh?
Lily, what are you doing?
Actually, we should do that. We should set a date to invite Andrew and that.
Louie, big boy. Louie, who do you love the most? Hey, big boy. Big boy. Did you weigh yourself lang?
Yeah. 1.3.
Uy. You kidding me? What do you mean 1.6.3?
Look at the big up. Stand up, right?
On this side.
And Yumi!
Clean. Uy, no, clean. Gentle with Louie Lynn. Gentle, and you just...
Gentle.
Look at it, see? Gentle.